Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to stay home from school without actually being sick? Well, today we are going to show you a trick using onions that might just do the trick. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Peel a medium-sized onion and cut 2 thin slices. Step 2. Place one slice in your left armpit and the other in your right armpit. Step 3. Sleep with these onion slices in your armpits overnight. Step 4. In the morning, you might wake up feeling like you have a fever. Why onions work? Onions have special chemicals that can make your body temperature rise, especially when placed in your armpits. They can cause local inflammation, making your body think it's fighting off an infection and raising your temperature. Onions attract microorganisms, like viruses, which can make your body work harder and feel hotter, giving the impression of a fever. Tips to maximize effectiveness. Stay up late to tire yourself out. Sleep with extra blankets to feel hotter. Wear warm clothes to keep your body temperature up. Drink hot tea or coffee in the morning. Take a hot bath for an hour. Eat more than usual. Exercise or play sports to stress your body. Eat spicy foods and chocolate, and avoid drinking water after. A word of caution: faking a fever requires acting skills. Even if your body feels hot, you might feel normal inside, so you'll need to act sick to convince others. You'll also smell like onions, which could give away your trick. Some parents might be able to tell if you're faking a fever, so be careful. Conclusion. So there you have it. If you ever need to fake a fever, now you know how to do it using onions. Just remember to use this trick responsibly and only when necessary. Thanks for watching.